Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by getting both devices visible and reachable. Turn on Wi-Fi and make sure both are on the same network, then enable the receiver's mirroring mode so it listens for connections. Once done, open the source device's display/output controls. On phones, use Control Center or Quick Settings. On PCs, open Display or Cast Settings. Make sure battery, permissions, and any firewall prompts are allowed. This prevents failed handshakes. Now you're ready to select the receiver from the list. You'll now make the actual connection and tune settings. Select the receiver name shown on your source device. Accept pairing and enter a PIN if required. Once connected, configure streaming quality. Choose 720p or 1080p depending on bandwidth to reduce lag. Then set audio routing so sound plays on the display or stays on the source. If text looks small, switch scaling or enable extend display to mirror only one window. These tweaks improve responsiveness and preserve battery life. You'll finish by stopping mirroring properly to free resources and close any apps capturing camera or mic. If you notice lag or stutter, lower the stream quality, move devices closer, or switch to a less congested band like 5 GHz to reduce interference. If nothing appears in the receiver list, restart both devices, verify firewall and router settings, and update firmware or drivers. These steps fix the majority of issues. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind: restart is often the fastest fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.